This is an egg, boiling egg. So we will try this. It's like this. Because we are 6 persons in the household. 6 pieces. Look up fast and this one should be done. 6 minutes. 2 minutes and a half. So it's 6. So it's 6 pieces. So it's 9. It's 9 to oh, this one's good. Itahan kami. I don't know if I'm going to try this one. Something like that. Dami. So this one. Kami na, sige na pa sa So this is now I need to cook with this can of this one and the egg. Let's see what's going on. Let's leave it ahead. Wow, this is not enough. So we will transfer it to the big one. No? Salt. Just make a little water. Here. Corn. Curry. We just put the 4 egg. Boiling egg. I mean 6 boiling egg. Yeah. Just like this. Just put a little this. So this is called ang gravy. Okay, it's giving this. Make it thicky. A little thicky. This is good for the kid. So it's yummy already and let's say bye bye. This is going to my sister, this is going to my mother, and this is mine. Thank you for watching everyone. God bless.